I can just 8 minutes. So they ship it from the Chennai south. Okay. Small, let's take it to small. What is this? So guys, this is a kit. Not so well finished. Not well finished. But I can see no damage on it. Okay guys. No damage on it. So now we'll modify our KDM Duke guys. Got it. Finally. This is my KTM 200's tank which I have removed to paint again. These are the scratches. These are painted right now. So we received the rubber and the sticker separately. We will have to stick this both first, then to the panel, like this. So guys, they are ready. See black. Before that I tried white. Actually I wanted white, but what happened is that the white color was not so good. So I cancelled it and went back to the black. So guys, after the first coat of black, I am keeping the black as a base paint, and now I have covered the upper things with the cello tape. Okay, so that will remain black, and then I will paint white. But guys, I don't know why all my white colors are turning to be terrible. But yes, hope it looks good, because it doesn't. So guys, this is after the paint. White gloss is little bit risky, but yeah, these are the results. So guys, after painting the base coat as black and then painting the overcoat as white, now I am removing the stickers, and yes, I am little bit afraid the color may go, but डर के आगे जीत है. So let's continue our work. So this is looking awesome guys, awesome, but you can see there is some issue also, but that's okay. Woo! Woo! How is it looking guys? Awesome. I feel awesome. I didn't feel it will look so good, but still. Now time for the second one. So guys, now I am going to paint it with a lacquer paint. That will be a transparent cover over it. As you know, this color, spray paint color, is not so versatile. It just gets scratched and the base paint comes out. The colors fade soon, so that's why I will require this. Okay, Taffy, my dog. Let's do it. I'll do 2 layers of this.